Johnny, come here, baby. Come here, look. Want this cookie? Want this cookie? Sit. Good boy! Yay! This is a good baby. He just learned to sit in like a couple of minutes. A lot of good treats, and it's easy to do. Very easy to do. Whoops, come here. Can you sit? Good boy. That's a good boy. Let me see that face. Look at those cockeyed ears. Sit. Oh, who's at the door? Come here. Sit. Johnny. Sit. Good boy. That's a good puppy. Hi, Bo. That's a good puppy. Yes, sit. Let me see that face. Who's that cockeyed ears? Molly, quiet. And he loves my dog. Sit. 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 Good boy. Say, come and adopt me.